Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products, or at least I can only assume that's why you're here. So while you're sitting there, you might as well check this one out with me. Inside of this box right here, we have what we like to call the Artisan. The Artisan is one of our made-to-order rings that is triple protected in all of these boxes. And in one of these boxes is this card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Inside, we've got some compliments, some customer service information, and these drawings letting you know where to find us on social media or just to tag us, because we'd love to see pictures of you wearing your band or just pictures of you in general in a very platonic way. Okay, guys, we're not creepy. Inside, there it is. Beautiful, the Artisan. Great color combination. We've got black zirconium with a 5mm inlay of desert ironwood. I love that desert ironwood. It's 8mm wide with a domed design, so it's got that beautiful artisan touch. So if you're into that specifically, remember that all of our made-to-order rings come with, I shall say, an Artisan or custom laser engraving. I believe Nina is trained up on the laser now, so she'll get you fixed right up. Inside, we've also got our black silicone band, so that's great if you're doing anything dangerous, which we can only hope and assume that you are doing. And we've also got some special promotional offers inside of this beautiful black envelope that people we like to partner with that'll bring you great deals. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the Artisan on manlybands.com.